All right, everybody. Be watching the travelers. We are headed to Albemarle, North Carolina on the 24th. We're headed to Rhode Island on June 6th. Heading to New York on June 10th. And then back home, and then another job out of town in North Carolina. Another part that I don't know exactly where it is. But this is the beginning. Okay? First thing you're going to want to do, and I've showed it on several videos, probably a couple of this one. See how Paul does that? We got all that mark. He's looking for 8 foot. Look at that. See? Breaks dead on 8 feet. Perfect. That's what the lines are all about. So you can measure your next piece. Then he'll call down to Chris. 8 foot. Send it up. 6-inch overhang. That's why these lines are so important.
All the time you do with this is just tack it.
Yeah, because we do have to get this off.
Yeah. We tack these first.
Just tacking down. We just need to get plywood on this today. And I mean, if we get some of that tore off, fine. If not, then we won't. But I know we got to buy plywood for that bad boy. $65 a sheet. Holy smoke. Yeah, like $2,500 in material on this job. Anybody who feels like grabbing it?
I'm on.
Okay.
These white nails are messing up my flow.
Your white nails messing up the flow.
Gotta get them out of there.
Man, look at that nice shirt you got. Find us on YouTube. You see that? Find us on YouTube. Drew's Roofing.
That's a real good friend of mine. He does the best work there is.
Find us on YouTube.
I mean, he can be a little bit.
He knows me well because he lives at my house sometimes, so he knows I'm an asshole. If you live with me long enough, you'll know I'm an asshole.
Put your peanut butter. Don't chime in, Billy.
This makes that so strong. You see what Paul's walking? That's weak as hell. As soon as you put this plywood on there, you put 6 guys stand on one spot. You put 6 guys stand on one spot before you put this OSB on here, you're in a mess. You will be in a mess. Probably standing in their kitchen. Beautifulness. I love this. This is my favorite thing to do. Drew, roofing and home repair. We are the travelers. Make sure you check out that traveler videos in my playlist. Yeah. Well, it's got all kinds of stuff on his porch, and it's not going to get covered today. Unless you want me to go get the plywood on my way back. But on this here, we can get all the plywood on both sides. We can get all the 2x4s run all around except for this little spot right here. We just tack it on. We'll be able to pull these 1-2 sheets off or whatever and get this metal tore off tomorrow because this is going to get plywood out here. And they're running right at 8 feet, which is beautiful. Yeah, it won't be. There's screws there, so it's going to be a... We'll definitely have to take up them couple sheets tomorrow, so... Oh, a lot easier. The nails are underneath there, so... Alright, Watson on the cutter. Chris on the... Paul on the tape measure. A couple guys with screw guns. This thing flows very well. Nice flowing job.
$44 a sheet.
Yeah, $44 a piece of OSB. Ridiculous. We'll have 2x4s sub fascia running right there. 4-inch face on our black metal with boxing. It's going to be beautiful.
come down here too quick.
Huh?
I reckon we'll come down here. Right in the middle.
Can't bend down, so I get all the plywood cut and 2x4s cut. Alright, that's finished. Huh?
I'll cut this thing on the ground. I need another one. Money. I'll cut you on the ground.
See, we just got 8 sheets of plywood. Like I said this morning, we wouldn't be going through this.
I talked them out of it.
Well, why?
I made a 16 foot just we had that.
Yeah.
The only reason.
And the only reason I said 8 was because we weren't going to put the plywood all in the same line. Oh, he won't do that. So that's exactly why I counted up 8 sheets. Huh? No, it wouldn't have.
You both of them in the same spot, you do 16 foot. And you cut one sheet in half. So I swear I made 15 foot changes. I made 15 foot changes.
How would it's over 16 foot? You were reading the tape measure.
I reckon my tape measure is bruised when I fucking went through that again. Hey, 1 inch short point.
Huh?
1 inch short point.
1 inch short point?
Yep. 1 inch tall.
What's it the other end?
Same thing. I like that.
So we start blowing that out. 1 inch?
Yep.
Come back to this. We ain't gonna be able to turn bar that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could have used leftover 3/4 board and just put it under the face of it and screwed it down.
Half inch plywood.
Huh?
Half inch plywood. All in strips you got. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And 2 of them.
Yep.
It's all my dinner. Hey, Bert.
Yeah.
We come back out. We'll use them on next job, Chris.
Do what?
We'll use them on next job. Until we're forced. That plywood right there, look. More drip. Like the first.
I guess I should turn around. things at the same time and have one in my bag. That's good.
Stay in the back of your truck. Throw it. Stay in the back of your truck. Throw it. Back seat, passenger side. Hey, Chris. Bottom out, 68. 68 and a half on top.
Sent me a picture and then I left it on the truck. Not the same.
No, because that's a gloss. Well, yeah, it might be.
I'll spray this thing, see if it's different.
What you got there, Andrew?
Excuse me? Yeah, I went in the store,
Yeah.
left my phone. All I could remember was that, so I don't so I'm gonna spray.
Let's see which one it is. Oh, okay, this is this one, but hopefully,
I'm gonna spray this and see if it matches.
yeah, okay. And then what you do is it's more easy, you just put, like this, you put it on the back side. You know what I mean?
I want to find out. Right
Yeah.
Yeah, I walked in without my damn phone. I got inside and I was like, oh, I don't have my phone.
Yeah. I'll go back and get it. Yeah, well, let's see how. I don't think that. No SD power. So that was the only thing sticking out of the boot? That one?
Small bathroom pipe.
Oh, there is a bathroom there?
So it's in the bathroom of the sink.
The current was weird as the bathroom.
If it was me, I'd get rid of it and put it under the
Oh, okay. Cut a pipe underneath the floor. Are you talking about for the vent in the slumbing?
That's the only other thing that's up there. Most people get rid of them and they vent under it.
Under the,
Go and Google. Go and type in ventless sink. Drain. It's just a little piece. Second mic.
Mark the other way.
People take them off.
cut out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I knew that. Okay. I was listening to Paul and I was trying to get over here
Hey,
and sliding it in the hole.
What?
Where's the small vent? Do you remember where the small vent is?
The back side of the house. Actually, we need to paint that too.
you after that? That's what you. We take it to him. Get a bump. You get it? Everybody grew it like that. You can bring it up here, seal it off right here.
The way we do it.
Yeah,
Way
do it well. Yeah. Look, they do that. That's gonna rough.
And I think that's the long end and the short end.
Here. Yeah, there he is. There he is.
Oh, okay. But either way, they just kind
Huh?
what was the name of that house, that big house? Precious. You don't want it.
The little one.
Oh, the little one. No, that one.
What, that?
The little, no.
The little one?
Yeah.
Never.
All right, so that's not no.
Barely. Nope. Yep. This is, we put,
Huh? Yeah, right there. What do you want me to do? One what? Can I see it? That one? Yep. Huh?
Never mind, that's one broken off.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's got a what? Which way's it gotta go? Good? Alright. Do both of them? Alright.
What?
Alright. Oh, it's missing one altogether.
Oh, yeah, I will. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you hit that with a pressure washer. Keep it a pump sprayer.
Hey. Hey, buddy, you need to change the screws. Another one of your buttons. You need to change them all.
Yeah, I was gonna do that. When you fix the brake, because a friend of mine was saying you gotta watch out for my brake.
No, I double brake. Take them out easily, and then put them.
Right.
I told it to go a little bit bigger.
Right, they make them slightly cool that. But you have that.
You can use the turn bar screw.
But I would keeps the metal from touching the.
Yeah, otherwise you're gonna have to brown stripes all over a new paint job.
Yeah, that's what it's going to do. You won't have the stripes from the gutters anymore, but the screws are still going to.
Right. So as far as how far back?
And just right around. We'll bend it up 3/4 of an inch.
It doesn't go back this way at all.
No, it was just pull it up to right there, yeah.
The access.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Can you get a couple more pieces of that plywood? Take back up for me. Put it in on top. Then we get
Okay. I have to lift your end up and go over it.
Got middle.
Need a narrower piece?
Yeah, probably. If it wasn't so wide, it would work. It doesn't have to be that wide. It could be 1.5 inches, 2 inches, really.
Well, that's all I got. That's why I use it.
If it doesn't go this time, we'll rip one down, Chris.
We're good.
Hey, Chris. Say you got it. Banged it in and say it went in.
You can't put combo on it.
No. I'd get 6 inch tape. Seam that only because I don't have enough room for termination.
bottom ones. There are ways to get that out.
It's gonna have a small gap over there. You worry about that.
That don't matter.
We get
To
better,
the
yeah.
house, so work is still.
Poor gap. You see what it done it? Pulled outside the porch up. That's why I want to use them big screws.
Yep.
Yeah, pull that porch up like it's
Now
supposed
this
to.
is not.
And that's something solid. I love it.
Yep. But it ain't,
So much
it ain't
better.
Really connected. Screws you rip out that plywood real easy.
Yeah, them people there, they'll be jealous they don't got a roof like this.
Right.
Break. Break time. Isn't that something how that stuff bows up?
That's plywood for you.
Yeah, plywood.
Put a screw down there, show it. That whole damn thing. Yeah, we use that 3-inch tape there.
Yeah, 3 inch.
That's how much we're gonna have coming down on top of it, about 3 inches right here.
Mm-hmm. Break.
And all the seams is on studs.
Yeah.
They own the 1/4 and studs. I try to hide the seams.
Okay. I'm not sweating that at all.
Yeah, but you don't see no seams down at the bottom.
Beautifulness. I love what this does for a mobile home. It's amazing. Adding that OSB, I can walk anywhere I want to on this thing. I put 4 or 5 guys on one spot, standing right there, anywhere on this thing, and you're not gonna have any issues. So this really makes it nice and strong. I'm a fan. Plus the fact that I love mobile homes, and I love making them look great. And when you see this finish, don't leave before you see the finish of this, because this will look great. All I can tell you is I've never put one of these on somebody's house ever, and they said, oh man, that's not what I expected. What I get is, wow, that is amazing. I really like that. So I keep doing it, except I get better at doing it every time. Don't forget, check out my traveler videos on my playlist. Gives you an idea where we've been. We've been from North Carolina to Alabama to Ohio to New Jersey and many other places. Heading to Rhode Island and New York. Coming soon to a city near you. Maybe even a town near you. If you're watching, hit that bell notification so that YouTube notifies you. Hit the thumbs up so you do get notified. If you hit a thumbs up on the video and you hit notifications, you will get a notification. If you watch that video and you do not hit that thumbs up button and you hit that notification, you might not get a notification when I download my next video. So hit that thumbs up and the notification, and that doubles your chances of being able to be notified when I put my next video online. We're going to take a break.
Well, this cannot shift.
This right here, we got to check it.
It's still there.
Huh?
It's close.
got that straight blade? Go downstairs, cut you a small piece of that rubber off, set your bucket on. Cut your bucket push right on this picture.
Yeah, we'll take right off.
Yeah, we don't want it to be on the ground.
Hell no.
How much that stuff go up? Huh? How much it go up?
Probably need a couple pieces. Don't know, Paul. It's expensive.
Yeah, 2x2, 2x4, something like that.
Yeah, that thing will take off, boy. When it does,
I ain't chasing it down.
no way. What a mess.
No, that's good. Just like that.
Don't want to be too big.
You got 2 pieces, all you need.
You got one big piece.
Oh, that's right. You only got 1 bucket.
Yeah, one bucket.
Make a roof hopper for this. Again, somebody just stands there.
Yeah, right.
Nope, blue in there.
No, I got some. I ran out. Hey, give me a cigarette.
Huh? You're gonna have to hold on. They're like buried down on top.
I can go get one. I go get it. I got 2 packs in the truck. I ain't worried about it right this minute. I can hold off. Ready to get the roof done. Why?
Flash.
There you go. You're gonna do the next run in 1 piece. Doing the rest of it. Just set that bucket on this side. You only needed it for that, and then you'll need it down here. Don't throw it off. You'll need it down here. But yeah, set it down. That's perfect. You don't even need that, unless it's dripping. Unless the bucket's dripping. If the bucket's dripping, we'll use it.
For splattering.
That's a good idea.
On the other side.
Better than a good idea.
I don't like splattering.
No.
You can be end up on the inside of the trailer. Just splatter.
It's dripping. Dripping good.
Damn, I just threw a twig down. There's another one already.
That quick.
That quick.
I know I suppose you got sauce on cutting your trees off. And then you sit there though.
Mhm.
You find that mobile home place?
Not yet, haven't got.
What mobile home place?
You want to get a vent or a stove. The wall stove. You got a little vent you got to replace. The cover piece of plastic all tore apart.
Wilmington.
Yeah.
Discount house.
Hey, probably go to the other side of Shorty's Diner, can't you? Right there beside Shorty's Diner.
Maybe.
You better get
Piggly Wiggly.
Yeah. Like to have his address when you put in his GPS.
Who's?
The one up there, that discount place.
I don't know where
South
it is.
Piggy Wingy. Yeah, I know what's that, but you try to give it to somebody else.
Tell them discount house.
Yeah.
Or D&D's.
Yeah.
Leland.
D&D? D&H.
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 Wheeling.
And then they put it in
That's
the
how you look up
GPS.
Google. Yeah, it is messy, isn't it? Careful.
Yeah, we already made it messy.
Just be careful.
Yeah, they already got dripping on the bucket.
Yep.
Try to avoid it as much as you can, that's all.
That's all.
That's all.
This ain't got nothing on it.
No, no good. Ready. Get on the other side of it, Bert.
Right now it's pretty too wet. Oh. Touch more.
Beautiful.
Nasty Marvin.
Making a worse mess now.
You had these rubber before coats.
A lot of airplanes in and out today.
Yeah. You're making it certified.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of ups and downs.
Yeah.
Touch and go.
See a bunch of them doing that.
Well, you got to do so many. You have to do so many touchdowns and takeoffs.
Yeah.
Looking good, man. Looking good.
So all of the rubber just goes right around the top. And so how many different pieces is it?
What do we got? There's actually 3 pieces. That's the last one. 2 20-footers and what is that one?
10-footer.
10-footer.
Okay, so 3 pieces. So the only seams are 3.
This way.
You got one
Only
on the
2
porch side.
seams, right then?
1, 2 seams.
Yeah, and then one on the porch.
And then we're seaming that too.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
That's going to be awesome. See, that rubber goes up over the top, then the other piece goes down over that 3 inches, and it gets seamed down below. That will never, ever.
So this piece goes under and that piece goes over. And I see you built it up too. That's nice. So there's not, not flat seams.
Exactly.
And that's going to cost too, right?
Oh yeah, that's glue.
All that.
That's glue.
That's double seam. right
Double
there.
seam. Putting a double seam on it right there.
So you actually put, it's already got it.
Yeah. Got glue there and glue here. So now it's contact. Roll that out. That's stick all the way up, come here, and then this other piece goes down over it, about 3 inches.
So you did this already added. That's different than that stuff.
Both sides. This could either be at one side glue or two sides. Two sides is contact. You always want to have a transition of contact. Roll that out. It's already stuck. That's going to go first down. That stuff there, we can put that out and pull the whole sheet back out. It takes 24 to 48 hours for it to cure underneath the rubber. Right. Which is what we want because that stuff is going to shrink at nighttime.
Yeah.
Full of gases and bubbles that are a little bubble, and then the next day it will bend and it'll shrink, and after a couple times of that, it won't move anymore.
Yeah.
That's why we do it with that way. This is important for it to be not move ever again. Start.
You got leave there
Yes.
and on.
Oh, yeah. Okay. There we put it on one side.
Oh yeah,
Here
right.
it's contact. So you got to put it on both sides to get contact. That's the next piece.
That's when we go up that wall. The other piece comes over, you put glue under that, so that just seats onto this side. Oh, yeah. Because that's the problem.
You'll never have trouble.
Water every morning the dew would drip by the door. And it's
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of nasty.
Hey, look.
Oh, we're going on one shot.
I just noticed on your, but now it's all moving. You got
Like I said, we'll be able to reach that.
yeah,
Step over.
yeah, why not?
Oh, yeah, that's a leg step over.
Oh, he can get over that.
He's a short guy.
I mean, my fingers are sticking together, but my feet ain't.
Not
You
yet.
know a good signing contract?
Hey, we're in a minute.
49th Street is having his house reside. He's just
How you step?
somebody. You know, if you have
Middleman.
If I was never all
If the sweeping man.
If I wasn't look for somebody, I would call Blue Line Gutter. That gets the gutter guy. And say,
What?
So we do that seam over there first on the porch.
Alright.
We get it right down the side.
because he's a gutter.
right. Yeah. Yeah, well, we got
There, if you want me to finish sweeping.
No.
I'm good. I can
Do the plug in. Starting to wrinkle.
Tim said he was. He said they decided something like yesterday. Well, my friend's got two quotes, and one guy's like, "It's just two sides." I
Sweep my way with that one.
Man. Oh, he about 10 of them.
No.
Yeah, but then you got the guy who did the house across the street just like a couple months ago, and quoted for $2,000.
God.
I mean, that's a big difference.
Damn!
But there's no way that small. two sides of
Something,
small house
something ain't right there.
4 days.
And right at the wall.
Put it on the roof. Cut it off.
Yeah, it does get cut out. They won't stick. They didn't put no glue up there.
There's a little bit.
Yeah, not enough to worry about it.
Ready?
Should have picked up knee pads this morning.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, oh yeah.
They don't cut the homeowner.
No cuts of
Damn, I can't cut him. He said he won't get too mad. Yeah, it feels real tight right there. Flip. And when my other piece comes over top of there, see what it feels good. May put a lot of glue up there. Wonder who done that.
That was you when you went and rolled down the side there and it pushed all over the top.
Uh-huh. You blame it on me.
Because I didn't even get down here.
You blame it on me. I'm all good with that. Here you go. Inside the
Don't do it. Here, wipe it off on this. You want?
inside the kneecap. No, inside the kneecap. You hate me. You hate me the rest of the
Right
day.
in the kneecap.
Yeah, you hate me the rest of the day.
Half in, half out. Better than you.
All right, next piece. We need that spot.
Want to pull the ladder out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. You can lean it on the other roof if you want to. Yeah, lean it on the other roof. Lean it on the porch, thank you.
You set that one up. That ain't set up good.
Or I did, dude. What about over
What do you have over there?
down to the bottom of the fascia?
What do you got? 2 inches?
I'm almost about a quarter inch from the bottom.
And you're right at the bottom? Okay, long,
Just in.
Should be
yeah,
good.
check this side.
I'm actually putting them a little bit lower. He can come that. They can come that way a little bit.
If he needs it,
Yeah,
Ken.
you come this way.
I might have to flip that one back. All right.
Doesn't need much. Hope, hope, hope. It's already too much.
I'm good.
What do you got, Billy?
I'm gonna face the board.
Right at the bottom.
Right at the bottom.
Down here too?
Yeah.
Okay, should be nice.
I got it ready to dry.
Won't take long.
5 minutes too.
Thanks, bye.
It's gonna dry in about 2 minutes.
Real quick, get them wrinkles out before we start rolling it.
Yeah, when you pull it back, it'll come out.
It'll come out, I know.
Hole. Another hole. Hey, that one is yours. Yeah, we're gonna get some 8-foot step ladders, dude. You know what I mean? Them 6-foot's a little bit dangerous. I think that's going to be the best way to put that metal on, just by the ladders on the ground.
Yeah, of course.
So if they don't have all kind of wrinkles in it.
Yeah, I won't do that. Once it's all glued down, if somebody would just cut that below the, right at the bottom of the 2x4.
We'll start putting facial board down on the bottom. This could be cut from the bottom, make it easier. Yeah, but most of this right here is going to be short. Yeah, I wasn't doing my job.
If you don't mind me saying so.
I says, I'm about hungry.
About lunchtime. Once we get this piece right here, actually we can do it now. Good time.
Get this one done, 'cause it's only,
Yeah.
it'll take us
We got half of this down, so let's get the other half. Won't take long.
10 minutes.
It's not in the way.
Spot for the wood.
Yeah, right. Right here. Justin got the screws.
That's that one we just messed with.
Got that seam right there. Put here. 4 screws, 3 screws. Right there. 3-inch screws. Hey, can I get a crayon?
Need to buy a box of them crayons. Look at that. Beautimous. First piece. First piece of metal. Move the slider and give you a little show what's going on. Chris was bending these earlier. And we're getting ready to go up this rake. So basically all we do is we want to start with this end piece. Number 1. We go to the top of that 2x4 or bottom of the plywood, whatever you want to call it. We put it here. Do the same thing at the other end down there. Do the same, and my phone's ringing. Do the same thing down there at the other end. And then the center, if you have to pull it up or pull it down to make sure there's no sag in it, that's great. And if you notice, the 2x4 is 3.5 inches, and we leave a space. We go 4.5. Did we go 4.5 on this one?
Yes.
We made the face 4.5 inches, and then
6 on the outside.
And then on the bottom here, we've got a screw for every 2 feet. And whatever the boxing is from the outside to there, which is on this side 6 inches, we went 6-inch overhang. And then on this end, when you're making the metal, the first thing you want to remember every single time is if you have a pitch like this one, now if it's just a little round moon shape, don't matter, but if it has a pitch like this one, this is going to be wider than the front here. So don't make 4.5 inches here. You're going to add from, you're going to measure from there to there, and that's how wide your piece is going to be, from here to there. So there's a little bit of difference on these ones with the pitch on them. But after that,
He's going to show you about 6 inches there.
yeah, 6 inches. You want to have at least 6 inches. It's 4.5. This is 6. So basically 1.5 inches on this type of pitch. You're just on the 4 ends only. On this, 4.5. This, 6. And then when you put that up there, you'll love. I'm going to show you really in detail how we do this. I'm not used to black. Used to seeing white.
Oh, just up. Come in. You butt your bottom where you need to be at. You top of your bottom of your tube before?
Yep, there you go.
And on the bottom. That should be you.
Yep. Sit right there.
That would get covered up. You want to pull the rubber and put the thumb on?
The white nail? No, that's just they're above. Looks good. Well, get the benders down here and then fold that piece right around. That'd be nice.
You go, you got the benders down here.
So
Okay.
Drew, I got the screws.
So all we're going to do down through here is cut this rubber off. It's ready. Done. Got some screws to put in up through here. Cut the rubber off. A few pieces of termination bar. Started raining on us this morning. Don't know why it said it wasn't supposed to have rain for 10 days, but here it is. If you notice, we put that gutter. You can hardly see it because everything's black right there. Which I think looks really cool over the doorway. So they've got a few pieces of turn bar to put on. Cut the rubber off. Head to the next job. We're working on 79th Street here, and then we're headed to 75th Street as soon as we finish this. Putting on turn bar screws. Be careful on that ladder, bud.